Good afternoon, everyone. Most people think missing a few hours of sleep is not a big deal. Maybe you stay up late watching videos, studying, or scrolling on your phone and tell yourself you will catch up later. But research shows that even one night of poor sleep can affect your memory, your mood, and even your physical health. Sleep matters to everyone in this room because we all sleep, and it plays a huge role in how our brain works, how our bodies recover, and how we manage our emotions throughout the day. I became interested in this topic after learning how sleep affects learning, focus, and overall health, especially for students. I personally haven't been getting much sleep recently, so I thought to research how it's affecting my body. The more I looked into it, the more I realized that sleep is not just about feeling rested. It is actually a critical process that keeps our brains and bodies functioning properly. Today I'll explain why sleep is so important by discussing three main areas: how sleep helps the brain process information, how it helps the body physically repair itself, and how it supports our mental and emotional health. First, sleep is essential for healthy brain function. Alison Caldwell said in a University of Chicago article last reviewed in 2024 that sleep is vital for memory consolidation as well as supporting normal immune function and healing after injury or disease. There's also a growing body of evidence that sleep helps the brain clear cellular and protein debris that can otherwise build up and cause damage, leading to inflammation and cell death. Sleep helps the brain organize and store memories from the day, which is necessary for learning and remembering information. When you study or experience something new, the brain processes and strengthens those memories while you sleep. In addition, scientists have also found that sleep helps the brain remove waste and harmful proteins that build up throughout the day. If this waste is not cleared, it can damage brain cells over time. This process is sometimes described as neurohousekeeping, where the brain clears toxins while we sleep. One of the substances removed during this process is a protein called amyloid beta. Which scientists have linked to diseases such as Alzheimer's. This shows that sleep is not just rest for the brain, but an important biological process that protects brain cells and supports long-term brain health. As you can see in the slide, how sleep impacts your brain. It gives you more efficient thought process and it keeps the body healthy. It solidifies your memories and leads to more creative thinking. Sleep is also extremely important for physical health. According to the Journey of Clinical Sleep Medicine, adults need at least 7 hours of sleep each night to maintain healthy body function. When people consistently do not get enough sleep, it can lead to serious health problems. Research shows that sleep deprivation can increase the risk of weight gain and obesity, high blood pressure, heart attack, stroke, and type 2 diabetes. It can also weaken the immune system, making people more likely to get sick or develop infections. In fact, J. Vera Summer explains that sleep deprivation can have a significant impact on overall physical health, as adequate sleep is essential for various bodily functions. Lack of sleep can also increase the chances of injuries from car crashes or work accidents because tired individuals have slower reaction times and reduced attention. When people restore healthy sleep habits, many of these symptoms can improve. Getting enough sleep can increase energy, improve attention, and help the body recover more effectively from daily physical stress. However, sleep does not only affect the body and the brain, it also has a major impact on mental health. Researchers have found that sleep and mental health are closely connected, and poor sleep can make it harder for people to control emotions, manage stress, and maintain a stable mood. According to Stanford University, writer Rachel Tampa's research shows that improving sleep can also improve mental health. Tampa explains that other students have found that cognitive behavioral therapy and other interventions that ameliorate poor sleep also relieve symptoms of depression and anxiety, and that bigger improvements in sleep correlated to bigger improvements in mental health. This means that when people improve their sleep habits, their mental health can improve as well. Tampa also notes that researchers are continuing to study how sleep connects to other mental health conditions. Scientists are examining how sleep interacts with conditions such as post-traumatic stress disorder, psychosis, and suicidal ideation, although there is still limited data showing how much improving sleep alone can help those disorders. What this research shows is that sleep plays a major role in emotional well-being. When people do not get enough sleep, they are more likely to feel stressed, anxious, or overwhelmed. And when people maintain healthy sleep habits, their mood and emotional stability often improve. Now that we have looked how sleep affects the body, the brain, and mental health, let us review the main ideas. Sleep is essential for brain function because it helps store memories, strengthen learning, and remove waste from the brain. It is important for physical health because it allows the body to repair itself, maintain energy, and reduce the risk of serious health conditions. Finally, sleep plays a critical role in mental health by regulating mood and helping reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression. The truth is that sleep is one of the most powerful tools we have for improving our mental health and daily performance. So the next time you consider staying up late and sacrificing sleep just for the next TikTok video, remember that sleep is not just rest. It is a powerful process that keeps your brain sharp, your body strong, and your mind balanced. Thank you, and sweet dreams.